Welcome to Parrot Key Caribbean Grill in beautiful Fort Myers Beach, Florida. We are famous for our open-air outdoor dining room, which is consistently voted best waterfront dining in Southwest Florida. Guests flock to Parrot Key to take in the breathtaking views, our delicious tropical cocktails, and our Caribbean-inspired menu, featuring some of the area's freshest seafood dishes. Each week, our Chef Marcella features different fresh catch specials showcasing the best local seafood in the area. Today, she is showing us how she makes one of this week's features, Spicy Clam Pasta. She starts with fresh spinach, linguine pasta, tri-colored peppers, and diced jalapenos. She starts by heating some olive oil in a sauté pan. Then she adds fresh garlic and allows that to brown. Then she adds fresh little neck clams. Little neck clams are indigenous to the area, with many clam fishermen in Matlacha and Pine Island. She then adds the diced jalapeno peppers. Tri-colored bell peppers are then added and sautéed. She then adds white wine and lemon juice to the mixture, and the dish is sautéed on high heat until the clams have all opened their shells. She then adds fresh spinach and sautés until the leaves are wilted. Herbed butter is added. Once the butter has melted into a sauce, she adds the linguine and tosses it with the sauce. She sprinkles on grated Parmesan cheese, and the dish is ready for plating. She serves the dish with garlic breadsticks. And there you have it, Spicy Clam Pasta. This dish would pair well with a cold beer, chilled Chardonnay or Pinot Grigio, or one of our tropical cocktails.